Okay, how do we actually install this? Well, I'm just gonna pop it on right here. And usually you just want it to be aligned with the back end of your splitter. There's the back end of my splitter. I'm just gonna line it up right there. You don't want it to be like here, that's kind of weird, all the way up to the front. You don't want it to be way the hell back here, because that's kind of weird and it'll probably hit your tires. So I'm just gonna take the end of this and line it up with the end of my splitter, like so, all right? And then this has 4 holes. See that right there, 4 mounting holes. I know there's like crazy shadow right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I've already marked where I'm gonna drill holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Usually when you add these styles of splitter end plates, the corner of your splitter is straight, all right? And that's how Racebred does it. But since I ordered this splitter way long time ago and I'm just adapting this is not actually the proper angle for it, but it'll mount still. See that? Like it'll sit right here and be nice. So yeah, we're just gonna drill this. If you guys are not comfortable drilling anything, have a professional do this. I am definitely not a professional, but I think I'm good enough. Drill straight and true. Oh yeah. After you're done drilling, just make sure you clean it up nice and pretty. Got a little brush right here from Home Depot. And there you go, I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna be using these button heads. Pop them all on right here, line it up, and then we're just gonna drive it in one by one. This guy right here, okay, and then the one at the back. Now, you might be curious, am I using nuts on this, on the other side? Nope. Because we drilled it perfectly to the size on the wood. So we're just gonna use this and thread into the wood. Should be easy. Okay, here we go. More power. Oh yeah. There you go, that's one. Make sure you go straight, by the way, dudes. And that last one's gonna need a huge extension because it's gonna hit my bumper. Dude, this literally took me 10 minutes to install, and that's how it looks right there. I know, giant black void, but what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to wrap half of this. So from here up, it's gonna be yellow, and then the little fin right here, and then the side is gonna be carbon. And then close up from the sides, oh, the bolts. Check out the bolts. Nice and clean. And then, yes, you can adapt this to a bunch of splitters. You don't need the straight sides. It actually fits on my regular one. And then, yeah, that's pretty solid. Oh, and it doesn't hang any lower than the Racebred splitter here already. So there you go. You might hit this though going up driveways, so you gotta be careful the first few times.